Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome to Beauties of B. I hope you are doing well. So today I am here to do a very interesting video. It's a smoky eye makeup look, but I'm going to do it on someone else. She's a friend of mine. Her name is Priyanka. She was very excited to create a smoky eye look for the party she was going to attend. So I thought, why not shoot it and show you all step by step how I do her makeup. First, I'm going to prime her face, and I have used aloe vera gel. She has very sensitive skin, like super sensitive skin. So I have used Sonteria aloe vera gel to prime her face first. That's what I'm going to use as a primer, and there's nothing else that I'm going to use. And this makeup will be all about those bold smoky eye, real smoky eye look. Okay, now I have used a setting spray. This is by Kiss Beauty. I am so sorry the clip got missed somewhere. So that was a Kiss Beauty setting spray, and now I'm going to use Pore Professional foundation from Maybelline. So this is her shade. I think this is 102 or something. I'll mention all the shade number below. And I'm going to lightly put the foundation first, and then I'm going to use the foundation brush to buff everything on her skin. She already has a flawless skin, but because she has sensitive skin, she has a little bit of patches here and there. So I'll just cover it up. I'll not put a lot of foundation because it is very hot. So the attempt out here is to achieve no makeup kind of foundation look, whereas you have very bold eyes. The face is going to be very simple, not too much foundation, because you don't want your makeup to melt down, right guys? You've already seen my previous video on how I do my summer makeup look, so that is what I'm going to do out here. For concealer, I'm using the Age Refined concealer. I will just put it on under her eyes, on the bridge of her nose, on her forehead, chin, and all those highest point of her face to highlight her face a bit. And then I'm going to same way blend the concealer, and make sure you blend all your products very nicely, because it will get patchy. If you don't blend it properly, it will get patchy. Do not worry, her face is looking a little white right now. That is because of the lighting, or something went wrong, and that's why she was looking so white. And as soon as this as slowly you proceed in the video, you will see how nicely her makeup got blended. And I was really happy with the way she was looking. I really don't know what happened, why she was looking so white initially, but everything got settled down later on. I am using a beauty blender later on to blend her makeup. You know, brushes cannot do the work which beauty blender does. I really trust my beauty blenders. That is most important. So I will just use a beauty blender on the end. Then I'm using ADS Luxury Banana Powder, and I will dab the powder all over her face, and I'm going to dust it out later. I'm using a lot of powder. First, I'm going to bake it. Secondly, I use a lot of powder because the fallouts from the black eyeshadow will be dusted off very easy. Here, this is a gray eyeshadow crayon that I'm using for the base. First, what I'll do is I'll use the product, then I'll blend it very nicely, seamlessly, so that I know where I want the black eyeshadow. That is why I'm lightly putting this gray eyeshadow as a base, so I know what I'm going to do. This can be corrected, that's fine. Okay, now I will use a kajal. This is, I guess this was the Stay Quirky kajal. Oh, this is the ADS HD kajal. Yeah, HR kajal. Sorry, this is the HR kajal, which I have done a review on as well. I'll mention all the products below. Please, I'm really sorry because I forgot about, like, I might miss on a bit. So all the products will be listed down below. So for the correct information, check the description box. And then why you need to use a kajal for smoky eye is that is what will bring the intensity of the color. Whether you're doing a blue smoky eye, black smoky eye, green smoky eye, use the same color eye pencil to stick on the color very easily. Now I will be using this black eyeshadow. This is a palette. This is a Kiss Beauty palette. This is a huge palette that I have. I've already shown you all in a previous video of mine. So I'll be taking the black eyeshadow from there, and I'll put the product first. The key is to place the product in right place first, then I'm going to blend. First, I want to create the entire space where I want the black eyeshadow, how I want it and everything. Then the blending will come with a brown eyeshadow, which I will put in the crease line. See, now I'm taking this brown eyeshadow, I will put it in the crease line like this, like so that all the harsh edges are blended down very nicely, very seamlessly. I am using this you can use a tape so that you have the idea how you want your eyeshadow to be if you're a beginner, but I corrected my mistake using a wet wipe and I was sorted. So I blended the black with the brown and the crease line was all sorted out. That is how I created the black eyeshadow. And now I'm adding a bit more brown and black on the outer corner, outer V, to create that extra smoky effect on the outer corner. That is what I want, lighter to darker. That is the kind of look I'm trying to achieve out here. I'll do the same on the other eye, same black, gray base, black kajal, blending black eyeshadow and brown eyeshadow, and the eye makeup is sorted. I will be also using a liner, but in the later part. What I'm doing now is I'm taking a same glittery silver eyeshadow from the same Kiss Beauty palette, and I will highlight her brow bone. That is very important. Don't forget to highlight your brow bone, because that will enhance the eye. It'll pop out in the eye. This is something you would do for night, right? So you want your eyes to really stand out. That's what I'm trying to do right now. Then after that, eye makeup is almost about to get over. I will use some bit of more eyeshadow, goldenish eyeshadow mixed with silver, so that her eyebrows and eyebrow bone really stand out very, very, very well. That's what I'm trying to achieve out here. Next, I'm going to dust off all the excess powder that I actually placed on her face. Now you can see her face is really looking very much settled, not as white as it was looking before. She's got back her natural color. Now I will be tight lining her waterline, lower waterline and upper waterline both, using the same HR kajal which I was using. This is an amazing kajal. It's super long lasting and it is smudge proof. That's the best part about it. You can wear it for 6 to 7 hours long and it will not go anywhere. I'll take a little bit of brown eyeshadow and mix with black and smudge her lower waterline. That brown mixed with black gives a very nice effect, the smoke out effect, which really pops out your eye. It makes your eyes look very, very, very beautiful. That's what I'm trying to do out here. Next, I'm going to put the liner. I'm using the L'Oreal Magique liner out here. You know, it's my favorite. I'll not use a thick eyeliner. There is no point of using a thick eyeliner. I'll just do that thin, small, thin wing liner, just because I wanted the black eyeliner to be there somewhere. That's why I used it. You can also skip this step, but I like it, so I did it. That's how it works. By the way, guys, do you like my nail paint? I am in love with this blue right now, seriously. Okay, anyways, next I'm going to do her eyebrows. She already has very full eyebrows. I'm just filling this bits and tits out here. She has amazing eyebrows, seriously, guys. Here I'm using this Shivana eyebrow pencil. First I'll place the powder and I'll use this spoolie to comb the hair and keep everything in place. Seriously, guys, such amazing thick eyebrows, isn't it? She really makes me jealous at times. Her eye makeup is almost done. Now I'll be using the same blush palette from the Kiss Beauty palette that I had. It's a combo palette. From there I'll take the peachy pink color, because I want a little bit of color on her cheek. She should not be looking very dull, and I will not do any bronzing and highlighting because she already has very sculpted face. I don't want to give it more. I don't want that hardcore sculpted look, so I'm not using any bronzer or anything as such. I'll be using a highlighter, no contouring, no bronzing, typical highlighter and typical blush. That is all I am trying to do out here. I'll highlight her nose, brow bone, and all her forehead and everything will be done. And next I'm going to use the mascara. That's what I'm going to do out here. She has amazing big lashes. Seriously, guys, she has beautiful lashes. So I'll just use 2-3 coats of mascara. Here is a step where you can use false lashes as well, but I really didn't want to overdo it. The camera is not catching well. She really has thick eyelashes. If you can make out, then zoom and see, she's got amazing eyelashes. Next, as I said, this has to be a neutral look. The lips has to be neutral. My current favorite is Hot Latte from Colorbar Lip Colors, Lip 10, I think Kiss Proof range. I love this lip color. That's what I'm using on her. To finish of the look. That is amazing. That's all I'm going to do for her. You can set off this makeup using a setting spray at the end, and that's all you need to do. This is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this look. If you all did, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, don't forget to hit on the like button. If you're someone who's visiting my channel for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell button next to it so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Until next time, stay tuned, stay happy, keep smiling. Love you all. Bye bye. And if you have any requests, please don't forget to mention in the comment section below. Please also check the description box for other details. Bye bye.